For me, I am a spice lover. Just before we start our food, we say Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. After we have had the food, we say Alhamdulillah or Shukr Alhamdulillah. That's how we say it.
Let's just eat.
Today, we will try some Bangladeshi food here in Ormoc City.
Chutney is like the Middle Eastern version of the salsa. Yeah, that's right.
This could be my first time trying some Bangladeshi food, and I can't wait to taste it. Let's go!
Love you guys, love you all, love you forever. Sana.
Hey guys, welcome back for another vlog, and today I'm here with Chef Matt. So today guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Ormoc City to try the first ever Bangladeshi Arab food, and we can't wait to taste it. Let's go! Nelle's Diner is located at Barangay Punta, Ormoc City, a 5 minutes ride from Ormoc City proper.
My name is Iftikhar. I'm from Bangladesh. And this is my partner Janelle. She's from Batangas. Nelle's Diner comes from Janelle. She's the short for Janelle is Nelle. This is where we introduce the biryani. We do the authentic, original Arabian and Bangladeshi fusion cuisines. This is where we started with the biryani and the kebabs mainly, and we have plans to move on to other items as well, which are very, very highly famous in the Middle Eastern countries.
Hey Chef! So Chef, I have a question. What's the nga sa kebab? I mean, can you say about kebab?
So ang kebab mga good guys, what we know about it is barbecue, but the word kebab is coming from a Turkish word nga meaning gitusok siya og sword.
Oh,
Kay ang nag-invento gid na, or ang historical context is that naay soldier sa una niya, since wa man sila kay bound sa pagsugba, iyang gitusok sa iyang sword. That's why if you will see uban ana magluto is mura siya espada ang ilang gigamit para iluto ang barbecue. So it's basically barbecue but with the Arab or Persian spices.
yan. And also what's that, the other one?
Sa ang samosa?
Samosa.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ang samosa is actually a also Persian origin na food.
Oh.
So if you can see dito sa mga pictures nila, mura siya og shape og triangle. So it represents a mosque since the root word is sambosa, meaning it's a mosque. So usually ang sa una ana is they use that as snacks during travel kay murag naka-pouch siya daan and then i-fry. Tapos ana mo na ilang kaunon as snack. Mura bag sa lumpia, di ba?
Yeah, lumpia.
Usually ang lumpia na to is snack.
Yeah.
So same purpose ang samosa. Some others call it sambusa if it's Arab. Upward sa padung Uzbekistan it's called sambusa.
Sambusa.
And then there is India and Bangladesh it's samosa.
Yon. Okay, now I know.
Now you know.
So guys, I am here now at the kitchen, and as you can see guys, wala na sigo ang hairnet. And Matthew is laughing. I don't know why. So they're preparing the food here at the back. So guys, can you say hi? Hi! Welcome to the vlog.
Hi guys, so we have here the biryani. So biryani comes from the Persian word biryan, meaning to cook in oil. So basically what we can see here as naadire, it's a bit oily, but sakto lang ni siya, dili gyud siya ingon luod siya, or kung sa ato pa term is bidli. That's why it's called biryani from the word biryan. So this dish is actually from Persia, not really from India or Pakistan or Bangladesh, its origin or the fatherland of this dish is from Persia, or what we know as Iran.
Okay guys, we have here the chicken biryani. Okay, let's move it closer. Can you focus, camera? Camera, can you focus?
So this is also a chicken dish. Basically, the biryani is made from beef or mutton. But in Bangladesh, since it's a majorly Muslim country, they use chicken.
Chicken. The one thing I like about the Asian food, guys, is the spices.
If you can just smell,
Yeah.
pwede palang ipada ang smell. Diya.
But anyway, guys, before we proceed, visit here at Nell's. Nell's. Yeah, Nell's. Here at Ormoc City. Very affordable. I know it's very affordable, right? How much is this?
This is 159.
159.
Biryani is actually a complete dish. As you can see, there's the rice, and then there's the meat, and then there's the vegetable. Kasi biryani was actually invented in Persia for the Persian soldiers during the Mughal period.
That's right.
So the reason that it's a complete dish is because they want their soldiers to be fully nourished.
Now you know.
Oh, now you know.
We have eggs also, guys. Look at the egg.
Yeah.
Patatas.
Potato, that's
Potato.
also a complement of biryani.
And as you can see here, they have chili. So, nagi chili, no?
Yeah.
Chili.
Because in the ancient times, the spices actually help preserve the food since, as we know, soldiers, so they have to travel from very far away since katong times wala pa may Uber, wala pa angkas, wala pa Grab. So they have to travel and they have to preserve the food.
So, remember, guys, all of this, guys, is authentic. What do you call it?
Bangladesh.
Yeah, Bangladesh food or recipes here. So you can try this and you will say, I'm in Bangladesh. Okay? Do you agree? Never mind.
So as you can see here, guys, this is the chutney. So chutney is like the Middle Eastern version of the salsa. Yeah, that's right. So, brother, can you explain a bit more about the chutney that you
Yes, this is the foundation is tomatoes, and we use 5 different kinds of spices that I bring from Bangladesh to prepare it mainly.
So definitely Bangladeshi food.
You can call this mainly Bangladeshi, yes. We have our own recipe to do this.
And they're not gonna share it. Secret.
Nung tinay namin, okay naman siya. Nag-click naman siya.
For me kasi, first time ko kumain ng ganito. For now. So, I think, why not go there? So, some people will think also na pupunta tayo doon just to try. Wala namang masama mag-try ng bagong dishes, something like that. But, for me, it looks fancy. The way you plated it, maganda siya. And the taste, maybe later na lang yung taste. Taste review. Taste review. So, we are here at Nell's and we'll be trying their delicious, authentic Bangladesh food.
Yeah, this, what we specialize in is basically biryani and kebabs. So the fried chicken, this is the al baik. Most of the OFWs here, I'm sure they have known and they have heard of it. The al baik fried chicken that comes with marination of the chicken from inside out. And this compromises of 1 serve of plain rice and 1 serve of wedges. Other than that, we have the kebabs. We are doing only one kind of kebab right now, which is known as the chicken shaslik kebab. And we are already working on the beef sheet kebab, but that will take a while. That's pretty much it. And otherwise, we have fruit shakes and milkshakes, and different kinds of spices and different kinds of flavors. So when you eat the flavor, it's kind of bursting out.
Okay guys, this would be my first time eating this authentic food. How about you, chef?
Well, actually, this is my
Second time.
no.
No.
I cannot count how many times I
Oh.
tasted biryani because, as you know, biryani is one of the most googled and most searched food in the internet. So, ganun siya kasikat.
So guys, I will invite you here at Ormoc City. Dito sa Punta.
Yes, this is Barangay Punta.
Barangay Punta near GGC office. So along the road lang siya guys. So don't forget to visit here. And I know we are hungry, right? We can't wait to eat the food. So let's do the mukbang.
Most importantly, I would like to highlight the fact that we use very high grade original basmati rice.
Yeah.
This is I bring it all the way from my country. I can assure you that we are working very hard on to make the basmati available at all times.
Okay, so that's it. Let's dig in.
Which should you try first?
I don't know.
What do you suggest?
If you want an appetizer, start with a bite of the samosa.
Okay, let's start from the appetizer.
Yeah,
Okay.
just
Okay,
start with
start
the
with
samosa,
the
bite of the samosa, and then move on to the heavier ones.
Okay. First bite.
Okay,
Yeah,
there we
first
go.
bite. Let's do it together, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Samosa cheers.
We're live, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome to Nelle. Samosa.
So as you can taste, Vince, this is actually, as what Ifti said, very similar siya sa lumpia.
Yeah.
But ang difference niya is ang filling. So
Yun.
if you can taste the spices there, usually the Arabic spices, mainly coriander, cumin, things like that.
This is another thing. This is my way of having it. Actually.
Okay.
What I do, say I take one piece of samosa, take a bite, and
By the chicken.
Chaser,
the combination is
you like to try it?
Later. Actually, I love chilies.
Oh, you should try it.
Yeah, later na. What's this one? The
chutney.
chutney.
Yes.
Is it spicy?
yes.
Oh!
Super.
All food are authentic and delicious. You can feel that you're in Bangladesh while eating their savory and delicious Bangladeshi food. Well, what can I say? All the food is delicious. Don't forget to visit at Nelle's in Ormoc City. Visit now. So that was it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. A peace.